Welcome, Pioneers, to a brand new mini-series from Reading Pioneers. Today, we're going to be focusing on how to make it better. And by it, I mean your sentences in both writing and speaking. Let's go. MIB may stand for Men in Black, but this video is going to focus on how to help expand your sentences to make them better. Is this way a 100% proven effective, perfect way?
No.
But it will help you grow as an English user and expand the sentences that you make and hopefully improve your English abilities. To do this, I want you to think about every answer you've ever given to a question. How was your day? Are you feeling okay? What did you do on the weekend? Whenever you respond, either in spoken or written form, you may give a simple answer. I saw a movie. However, we can make this better. We can add certain parts of the English language to make your sentence more descriptive and more informative for the listener. To do this, think about your 5 W's. Who, what, where, when, why. These 5 W's will help us make our sentences better by expanding and adding on to them. Let's use an example. I saw a movie. Very simple answer, very informative. You can expand upon that with a discussion and talking with other people. But we can also say who we saw the movie with. I saw a movie by myself. Now we know who you saw the movie with. We can say with friends. We can say with my family. With coworkers. By having that extra information, your sentence goes from being very simple to now expanded and better. When talking about who, we can actually use a few different phrases. When speaking about one person, you can say by myself or alone. Usually, when we talk about other people, we'll use the word with and describe who those other people were. And remember, this is make it better. So don't worry about having to change your sentences around. Just use your basic sentence, I saw a movie, and then add onto it the person you saw it with, or if you saw it by yourself. So I know this video was very short, but we talked about who you can see movies with and who can be added to make your sentences better. So if you enjoyed the video, click that thumbs up button, click that subscribe button, and click that comment button to let me know what you guys thought about this little mini series that I'm creating. We're going to be covering the rest of the 5 W's in the next videos, so stay tuned, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.